Welcome back. Now, this course has two paths for you to take, depending on your situation. So what are these two paths? Well, one is to just follow along. We're going to show you step by step how to go from start to finish, from sketching to having ideas to final full-fledged interactions, animations, and final designs for the product. If you want, you can follow along, customize however you want so that by the end, you have an entire design system that you can use on future projects, as well as a product that you can put on your portfolio and wow your employers. The other path that you can take with this course is that you already have a client or you have a product that you want to create. Maybe you're an entrepreneur. The way this course is structured is that we show you the exact steps a designer would take from the very beginning to the end. So by following along the step, you can actually implement your own design systems, your own designs, your own product, if you already have something. We wanted to create this course so that in the future, when you get different clients, you can keep coming back to these sections and follow the steps all along so that you have a professional, full-fledged system that takes you from zero all the way to mastery, to wowing your clients. So decide on these two paths, whether you want to just follow along and customize the product that we're going to build, or you already have something that you wanted to work on and follow along the steps and create your own product. I'm excited to see what you end up with at the end of the course. Let's get started.